This video will show you how to use the simulation to build atoms for tonight's homework. When you first open the simulation, there's a question, how are elements different from one another? You're going to want to click on the play sign and let the short video introduction play through. Do not hit any buttons. It'll tell you when the video is over and to start the simulation. When you get to the simulation, it asks you, can you build the atoms for the missing elements? The missing elements are the ones in the hot pink boxes with the question marks. So when I click on one, it says use the information from the periodic table on your left. Can you build the beryllium atom? Need a hint. Okay, so here is beryllium. And I could also use my periodic table that I have at home. I know since Be is atomic number 4, I can build that by changing the protons to 4. Whoops. So I move the slider till I have beryllium, and now I can see what beryllium would look like. I know that beryllium is an atom, so atoms have no charge or they're neutral, so I need to add the same number of electrons by dragging the slider. Okay? And then I see I have an unstable nucleus because I need to have neutrons. So I'm just going to drag the slider until unstable nucleus does not appear. And it first does not appear when I get the number of neutrons equal to 5. So I see the element symbol, Be, the atomic number 4, charge is 0, mass number is 9. Since I added up the neutrons plus the protons, 4 plus 5 gives me 9. Okay, so I fill out my chart in my packet, and then I hit submit. So good job, I made beryllium. And then I could read a little bit more about beryllium to find out some fun facts about it. Okay, and now I click on make a different element. And I continue until I fill out the chart in my packet. Please email me or come to office hours if you have any questions. Thank you.